rejected your claim in any of the para?
They do not say about
My
that.
lord,
No, why you are not entitled to between 2014 to 2018?
No, they do not deny. This is what I am submitting, Lords.
Show us your prayer in CWJC 17167 of 2016.
Lords, that was only relating to 10 CC, not 10 CA. So therefore, that question was there. May please, Your Lordships. Lords, this was the case in which Your Lordships had said that admittedly, the amount that was decided to be paid under 10 CC was paid after 4 years. That was an amount of 3 crores 90. And over which, my lords, because of their delay, my lords, I filed this writ application claiming interest. Then, my lords, Your Lordships, they admitted that yes, after payment was made. If Your Lordships would be pleased to see only 2 paragraphs of their counter affidavit, they admit this fact. I would show to Your Lordships, my lords, there is no denial. Kindly come to me, lords. Page 36 of their counter affidavit. Paragraph 7, that from the chronological sequence of events mentioned above, it is crystal clear that
So
claim.
page 36, counter affidavit on behalf of respondent 1 to 7.
Lordships.
But page 36 is Roman 27. Para 27.
my
Roman.
lord,
Yeah, page
Roman 27.
37. Kindly come to me, lords. 37, para 7. Para 37, my lords. My lords, that from the chronological sequence of events mentioned above, it is crystal clear that the claim of the petitioner to grant benefits of clause 10 CC of the SBD has already been allowed to the petitioner under memo number so and so 30th January 2018 of the writ petition. And it was a claim that was lodged and it was being considered since 2014.
No, have they rejected your claim in any of the para?
They do not say about
My
that.
lord,
No, why you are not entitled to between 2014 to 2018?
No, they do not deny. This is what I am submitting, Lords. They do not deny the
my
fact.
lord, lecture 15 is the order passed by this honorable court, and pursuant to that order, my lord,
Annexure 15.
my lord, lecture 15, page 84, my lord, of the writ petition, my lord.
What?
That is the order passed by this honorable court, and pursuant to that order, by the lecture 6, petitioner was paid.
Yes, by the annexure 16.
And
That was in
and
2018.
thereafter,
No, para 6 is what is that? Plan from so and so. That is submission.
Annexure 16 is the decision taken by the government for payment of.
Sir, what is the directions of this court?
The action was to consider the case of the petitioner,
Representation.
my lord.
My lords.
And in representation, he has not claimed the interest, and after receiving the payment, and
But,
almost after 1 year, he has raised the claim for the interest, my lord. And in clause 10 CC, there is no provision of interest, my lord. In special circumstances, his payment was delayed because intervention.
Where is the 10 CC?
10 CC, my lords. 10 CC is there. 10 CC, if my lord would kindly come to my lords, page 49.
No, why it was adjourned from yesterday?
It was adjourned because the entire SBD agreement was not there. And entire SBD agreement is there.
10 CC.
10 CC is already there.
Yesterday, my lord want to know whether there is
Arbitration clause.
in that. my
So
lord.
that clause, my lords, is in 25 for that, my lord. Could not annex the entire SBD.
But arbitration clause is there.
My lords, admittedly in clause 25,
And approach.
they are very cumbersome.
And that apart, see, you have approached this court in the year 2016 with reference to claim in 2014.
My lords,
There is a lapse on your part also.
no, that the honorable court had remanded the matter. The honorable court said that you go and raise before which my.
No, it's all right, but you have filed a writ petition in 2016.
Lords, they had kept it pending earlier since 2012-13. And even from 2014, when they kept on waiting, then I came to this honorable court. And the honorable court asked me to go to the department. I went.
In the agreement, which is the clause for interest,
No, in the agreement, there is no such clause.
then you are not
It
entitled.
has to be decided in arbitration, because in arbitration, it cannot be said that I'm not entitled.
Then is there any provision under the Interest Act?
Yes, under the Interest Act, my lords, I'm obliged for this query. Interest Act. Discuss, sir. Discuss. In the Interest Act, it is of course, the court can decide it. It is there. Any
What
court.
is the prayer in the writ petition?
FC 25.
NCC is not relating to interest.
No, 10cc, the issue was,
All right, in your writ petition, have you sought for payment of interest?
my lords, the very prayer, if my lords would be kind enough to come to the prayer portion.
No, in CWJC 17167 of 2016.
16.
The written comment.
Interest. Since they were not deciding whether it would be.
No, it's all right, but when you are making a claim in earlier litigation that you are entitled to so and so amount along with the interest, where is that claim?
Let me make one thing clear. Earlier, they were of the view that it would be payable under 10 CA. 10 CA was confined when it would be a period not exceeding 18 months. Since admittedly the work was for more than 18 months, they had enhanced the period later by 9 months. So admittedly, when it went beyond 18 months, so 10 CC would be attracted. And for this, whether 10 CA would be attracted or 10 CC would be attracted, they took the rate for price escalation in 10 CA is lesser. Rate for price escalation in 10 CC is.
Sir, show us your prayer in CWJC 17167 of 2016.
Looks, that was only relating to 10 CC, not 10 CA. So therefore, that question was there in that, because they had not decided.
Sir, there is no demand by you for payment of interest during the period from 2014 to 2016.
Again, I would submit, since the issue there was whether 10 CA or 10 CC would be that issue they decided subsequently, and therefore, my lords, that after deciding that 10 CC would be applicable, they made the payment in 2018. Now, the quantum of interest, which would be, of course, that can be a matter of adjudication by arbitration or whatever forum it may be, my lords. But interest, they cannot totally deny. That is my submission.
Sir, cause of action accrued in 2014.
My lords.
You have approached in 2016.
Yes, my lords.
The year 2016 also you have not demanded the interest.
No, in 2015 also, my lords, when 2016 I came, the Honorable Court was pleased to remand the matter to the authority itself.
Correct, sir. In your request, was there any demand that I am entitled to interest also?
That I'll have to verify. 2016 writ petition is not here.
Is taken on prima facie there is a delay in claiming interest during the intervening period from the year 2014 to 2018. The Sublime Council for the petitioner is hereby directed to apprise this court with reference to CWJC 17167 of 2016 to the extent whether was there any demand of payment of interest or not. Lengthy process for me. Next week?
Head down, head.
This next week.
अच्छा क्या claim था पहले वो तो देखो. Because the dispute there was whether 10 CA or 10 CC. That was continuing.
Then you might not have demanded interest.
Naturally, my lord, since the dispute was there. So if they can only say quantum, whether of course the honorable court in writ will decide
Sir,
or.
your prayer should have been before the authorities. The principal difference of amount along with the interest.
My lord, that is missing, my lord.
The interest part is, I think, it is missing. And even if you are not demanded in 2016 litigation, you are not entitled.
Previously, my lord, since that was not the issue, so he might not have, that is my apprehension in 2016.
All right, you just verify and.
I'll verify and inform the honorable.